I got a new box in today, and I ordered it off eBay. It could be the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface 1974 Pretty Woman mask, or Tales from the Crypt, the complete series. But because of this being light, it must be the Leatherface mask. So let's open it up and let's see what it is. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Wow, this is so awesome. They've done a great job. And I'm going to now take it out. Just give me a sec. Just put this down there. Wow. Wow, this is an awesome mask. They made it look exactly like in the film itself. All the lipstick, it's just so eerie. The strings, they made it look really scary. Wow, the lipstick, the hair, and I put that this is real hair. It's not fake, like this. Wow, it's even stitched, the hair is even stitched inside to the mask. So, to make it like to get that Leatherface feeling in you, that's really awesome. They even have the one ear and the other's not there to see it through photos. I'm going to now put this on now and see how it looks. And plus, before I do it in a second, in normal trick-or-treat studio mask, the slit is normally in the back. But this one is so cool because it's on the side this time, which is really what the actual mask really was. So let's put this on. It fits really, really well. Except the hair gets one in your eyes. And the one thing about this mask I just love that some of the other ones I have is that the mouth right here is slit, so I can breathe in it quite well. And when I put the mask to my mouth, I can breathe stuff out. I can breathe out of it. Unlike the Michael Myers mask, the mouth is shut obviously because of the character, so I can't really breathe out of that damn mask. But here you go. The other side of it. And if you want to see what the back looks like, it's just pretty much all back hair, which is real hair. I'll cut this off now. Just give me a second. Just want to say thanks for watching this unboxing and have a nice day, and I'll see you all later. Bye.